Hello, myself Dr. Sukriti Garai. So I have come all the way from West Bengal, or you can say from Mumbai, just to learn hands-on training from Dr.GajananGPatil. Trust me, sir is amazing. If you really want to have a hands-on course somewhere and try your skills on the patients, you should opt for this course and under sir, because he really teaches you well. He will tell you his own tricks and skills, how he does the laparoscopic surgeries, and the way he will teach you, guide you in each and every step, why it is being done and how it has to be done. It's really amazing. Somehow he will make sure that whatever you are doing, whatever surgery, whatever step you are doing, your conception, you're fine and you understand it. So if the concept is fine, you will never forget what are the structures, what structures are found after, in which layer and after what procedures. So this is how he teaches you. He will be your guide in each and every aspect. He'll be as your friend, he'll be a good listener, and he'll be a good advisor. So he's such a person that you need not to hesitate to ask any silliest question also, because trust me, that's the best way how you learn from your guru. And for me, he's the guru, because when it is coming on Guru Shishya thing, he has kept himself into that position that whatever he has, knowledge, skill, whatever on all over these years, the experiences he has gained from his mistakes or whatever he's gaining right now, he tries to give everything to his students. No matter what age you are, at which position you are, he will teach you as if you are the beginner. Even if you have learned laparoscopic, even if you have done laparoscopic surgeries correctly, wrongly, outside this hospital, in your own setup, in other hospitals, still you can ask him serious question and he's always there to answer you. Even in the mid of everything, you can question him and he's there to answer you. Okay, so if I come on to the staff also, trust me, he has such an amazing staff who is very cooperative, friendly, and always there to help you out for each and everything. Even the minus thing, even if you hesitate to ask, I would suggest you do not. Just speak up. Whatever you need, just speak up and everything will be in your hand. You are not at all in the unsafe environment. You will always feel safe, protected, and you'll have those enthusiasm to learn in such environment, because everyone over here is so much enthusiastic and they are motivating and they'll be always telling you, guiding you in each and every step. Even the staff, that you will feel of doing the things correctly and to learn more skillfully. So yes, I would definitely say opting for this hands-on courses, whether it's for 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, doesn't matter. If you give all of you with all your trust me, it's a respect for a guru and for a student also to be in this course and learn things from him. He's an amazing person.